Good morning, all of you.
So can we start with participants have come?
So many.
Only there are 9 participants.
8
Eight
students.
students.
Yes, sir, and 9 participants.
So,
So today we also can we do the revision of any chapter?
So, we do the sir small activity.
today we will start the new chapter.
No.
We
Okay,
will
sir.
start the new chapter. The name
So
of
what is the
chapter
chapter?
is the name of the chapter is Profit and Loss.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Sir, please.
I am fine, sir.
Good morning,
Sir,
sir. Please tell chapter name one more.
profit and loss.
Sir, what we have to do?
We will start the new chapter today, Profit and Loss. Okay,
Sir, which chapter?
Profit and Loss.
So this is same like the bills chapter.
Easier than that.
So can we start? 4 minutes are gone.
Sir, we will do this. That you have written in the blackboard.
Nahi, beta. This is of class 7.
The profit
Sir,
and
but
loss.
it is of our class only.
You have done something similar like this in your previous term. Percentage. करा है.
Okay, sir.
Profit and loss. Now, open the chapter in your books. Profit and loss.
Sir, we are doing profit and loss.
Yes.
Sir, I have opened the note.
What is this? सारे बच्चे एक साथ ही आते हैं एक ही दिन. या तो एक दिन सारे गायब हो जाएंगे या एक दिन सारे आ जाएंगे. 10. Now there are 10. Most from your section, I think.
Sir, only our class is minimum. Sir, only our class has minimum students. Alone.
This is chapter number 14.
Book.
Profit and loss.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chapter number 14.
Okay. So before starting to the main part of the chapter with the terms related to the chapter, let us discuss some. Let us take an example to understand the terms which are related to the chapter.
Okay, sir.
हम
Sir,
यहाँ
we
पे
are doing a new chapter. Sir, we
हाँ
are doing a new chapter.
yes, profit and loss.
Thank you, sir. Very, very, very much.
अभी तो बताया था.
Why are you laughing at me? Example. And sir, your microphone is muted.
Sir,
Oh, I
please
forgot that
answer
the microphone is
yourself.
muted. I was speaking continuously. I was giving you an example, and I forgot that my microphone is off. Okay. Yeah, listen on you. Keep your mics off first of all. Athar, Satashi, Park, and Gaurav.
Oh,
Yeah. Kamakshi has not connected her audio.
मुझे green वाला
they should do like this only. Her network problem.
Okay, listen, everyone. Yeah. So first of all, let us take an example.
Sir, I know. Excuse me, sir.
Manji.
Sir, I know how to do this chapter.
Acha, wait. Very good, beta. Wait, just let us discuss everything from the starting. Okay, let us assume that you all went to a shop and you bought a chocolate for ₹10. आपने शॉप से 10 rupees की एक चॉकलेट बाय कर ली. Let us assume. Now, what you did, you after buying the chocolate, you tried to play very smart. What happened? You went to a shop and after buying the chocolate from the shop for ₹10, you sold the chocolate to your friend. आपने क्या करा? वो चॉकलेट अपने फ्रेंड को सेल कर दी और चला. And you sold the chocolate to your friend for ₹15. You bought it for ₹10 and then you sold it for ₹15. ऐसा क्यों करा? Why you did this? Can you tell me?
Sir, for earning.
For earning.
Yes, sir,
और
for earning.
for हिंदी में अगर बोले तो क्या हुआ यहाँ पर? फायदा हो गया.
Profit.
हिंदी में बोले तो क्या बोलेंगे? फायदा हो गया. हुआ नहीं हुआ?
हिंदी में बोले तो फायदा.
Profit.
Profit in English. फायदा in Hindi. Hindi.
हाँ जी. So you had a profit of ₹5. 5 rupees का प्रॉफिट हुआ. 10 rupees में खरीदा, 15 रुपए में बेच दिया. कितने? How what is the profit of? You had a profit of? You had a profit
Sir,
of
5 rupees.
5
rupees.
Yes, very good.
5 rupees.
So the price.
प्रॉफिट को हिंदी में बोलेंगे तो सर मुनाफा.
हाँ, तो इसको क्या बोलेंगे? जो फायदा हुआ है इसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? दिस इज नोन एज प्रॉफिट, ऑल्सो नोन एज गेन.
Profit.
प्रॉफिट बोल सकते हैं और क्या बोल
And
सकते हैं? You also call it as
Okay, sir.
gain. गेन भी बुला सकते हैं. गेन मतलब
Game.
and to my
GAIN गेन.
खेल.
ठीक है. You
Sir,
gain.
GAIN gain.
हाँ.
and said to whom we give it sold it, he had a loss.
Sir, gain means also profit.
हाँ जी. Gain and profit is the same thing. Now, if suppose another example, if suppose you bought it for ₹10 from a shop and then you sold the chocolate for ₹8. अगर आपने 8 rupees की सेल कर दी, तब यहाँ पे क्या होगा? लॉस होगा या गेन?
Sir, loss. Sir, loss.
Then you are going to face a loss. नुकसान हो गया.
Loss.
नुकसान हो गया. हुआ या नहीं हुआ नुकसान? नुकसान मतलब लॉस.
Yes, sir.
Do you all know the meaning of loss? Loss means नुकसान.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes, sir.
So कितने?
नुकसान.
How much rupees loss you are facing here?
Sir, 2 rupees.
Yeah, there is a loss of
Sir,
2
2
rupees.
rupees.
Because you bought it for
2
10 and then
rupees.
you sold it for ₹8. There is a loss of 2 rupees. So now I will tell you some terms which are related to all these things. This is known as profit and loss. That is why the name of the chapter is profit मतलब फायदा, loss
Profit
मतलब
and loss.
घाटा.
हाँ, घाटा या लॉस, नुकसान. ठीक है. Now, first of all, the thing, the price at which you buy something, the price at which something is bought is known as cost price. क्या बुलाते हैं उसको?
So cost price.
तो आपका इस
Sir,
केस में
cost price.
example which I gave you, the first example which I gave you, what is your cost price? What is the cost price in the first
So in
example
the
that I gave you?
Sir, 500
Take the
rupees
first
for
example.
shirt. Sir, 500 rupees for shirt.
अरे बेटा, जो मैंने अभी आपको एक एग्जांपल बताया
So
था,
you have said the chocolate was of 10 rupees and he sold of 15 rupees.
Yes, sir. Sir, उसका 5 rupees profit.
5 रुपीज का प्रॉफिट हुआ. Now, what is the cost
Sir, the
price?
chocolate
Cost
was-
price यहाँ पर क्या होगा? The price at which you bought the chocolate. कितने रुपए की खरीदी थी आपने?
5.
Sir, 10.
Sir,
10.
that
The
The cost
10.
price. In this case,
10.
the cost price is rupees 10. Okay. And
10.
the price at which you sold it to your friend, आपने फ्रेंड को कितने रुपीस की सेल करी थी? रुपीस
So
15.
5.
15
15.
रुपीस की सेल
So
करी थी.
15.
So that is
Yes,
known as
sir.
selling price. The price at which you are selling the product is known as selling price. Simple सी बात है.
Selling price.
Cost price क्या हुआ? कितने रुपए का खरीदा, और selling price क्या हुआ? कितने रुपीस का सेल कर दिया. Okay.
Okay.
That is known as selling price.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
got it.
These were some very important terms. अब आपको प्रॉफिट कब हो रहा है? जब आप ज्यादा रुपीस का सेल कर रहे हैं. और लॉस कब हो रहा है? जब आप कम
Yes, sir.
रुपीस में सेल कर रहे हैं. जब आप सेल जो कर रहे हैं वो कम रुपीस में सेल करेंगे तो आपको लॉस हो जाएगा. ज्यादा रुपीस में
Sir, अगर हमने sir, if we have taken one thing of 500 rupees and we have sold it of 500 rupees, we will get profit or loss.
You bought it for 500 and sold it for 500, same amount.
Then nothing.
हाँ जी, गौरव
Sir,
पहले
we will get lost.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, क्या कह रहे हो बताओ.
Sir, I was saying to you that if we bring a chocolate for 500 rupees and sold it for 500 rupees, it will be no profit and no loss, na?
Yes, no profit, no loss.
जितना पैसा दिया उतना पैसा वापस आ गया.
हाँ बताओ. अगर प्रॉफिट तब हो जाएगा जैसे if you buy something, if you bought a t-shirt for rupees 500 और उसको 4 दिन पहन लिया, 4 दिन पहनने के बाद उसको सेल कर दिया 500 का ही, तब क्या हो गया? तब तो फायदा हो गया, फिर तो प्रॉफिट हो गया. ऐसा तो नहीं करते हो? You buy a t-shirt and then you wear it for 4 days and then you sell it for the same price 500. तब इसमें लॉस हुआ या प्रॉफिट हुआ?
Sir, profit.
तो प्रॉफिट हो गया. तो कितने मजे आ रहे हैं, हंसी आ रही है.
Yes, sir.
गौरव
Sir, so it means that profit is when, sir, so that means selling price is bigger than cost price, and sir, in the loss is when cost price is bigger than selling price.
Yes, very good.
Is reading from the
Acha.
book.
Okay, now you all need to write down the
Correct.
definition of cost price and selling price. First of all of you write down the heading cost price in your
Okay,
copy.
sir.
You will note down in your copies, everyone.
Oh, we go.
The pin number.
मैं बता रहा हूँ बेटा. I am writing it on the board.
Page number is.
अरे मैं board
Page
पे क्या-
number is 118.
Why do you need the page number? I am writing it on the board.
Sir, it's 119 and 118. From 118 the call starts.
और करेंगे हम.
अरे keep your mics off. Daksh Mehrotra. Parth.
Sir, can you please do mute all the participants?
No, sir.
Daksh, keep your mic off, and Parth, you also.
Sir, my mic is again open. I don't know.
Come. चलिए. The amount at which a product is bought. This is known as cost price. ठीक है, ये हो गया CP, शॉर्ट फॉर्म में बोलते हैं CP. सेलिंग प्राइस SP. The amount at which a product is sold. That is known as selling price. Okay. Note down these 2 points in your copies.
Sir, I have noted down. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have noted down.
Okay.
Sir, now we will do exercises.
अरे नहीं यार, इतनी जल्दी एक्सरसाइज शुरू कर देंगे? अभी तो बहुत कुछ समझना बाकी है.
सर मैं आपने लॉस के बारे में नहीं पढ़ा है सर, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. नो
हाँ जी, अभी तो बेटा बताऊंगा मैं अभी. Okay, I will make you write down all the formulas, all the definitions. I will make you write down in your copy. Okay, don't worry.
So means we have to do a lot of work. After
Uh-huh.
that, we have to do exercises.
Very difficult thing, है ना? अच्छा, now you
Sir,
all.
it's so long.
Now Gupta ji, keep your mic on. Please keep your mic on, Gupta ji.
Okay, sir.
Can you give an example in which you have profit? Give an example of a case where you have profit on your own. Give an example on your own.
Profit. Sir, give me 2 minutes, sir. I will make it.
Now, jaldi se think of example and give me an example where you have profit. All of you, I
Sir,
want you all to think.
Sir, I can give off loss.
Beta, wait. I will ask you.
Sir, can I tell?
Listen to me.
Sir, can
I will ask you all one by one. You all have to think one example of profit and loss, and then I will ask you after some time. Okay, I will give chance. Okay.
Sir, can I tell of profit?
So I will ask.
Sir, can I tell?
अरे अभी नहीं. I will ask you on my own. Be quiet. Don't turn your mic on again and again. So first of all, Gupta ji is going to give an example. Gupta ji, yes. Mic or
Sir, who
camera.
is Gupta ji? Sir, who is Gupta ji?
Parth Gupta is Gupta ji.
Sir, only for 2 minutes. Sir, only for 2 minutes.
So you are thinking. Okay.
Yes, sir. Only 1 minute is left. Sir, I know.
Okay. Govind Bhardwaj will give us an example. Govind.
Sir, for example is I bought a pencil of rupees 10 and I have sell with my and sorry sir I have used pencil. No sir I don't use I sell with my friend as at rupees 12. In
Hmm.
this our profit is of rupees 12.
Yes,
Sorry 2.
very rupees 2. Profit is of rupees 2. Very good. Correct example.
Sir, now I can tell.
Yes, Gupta ji will give an example now. Yes, Parth Gupta.
Okay, sir. Sir, like, sir, wait 2 minutes.
Sorry?
Sir, I have written no copy. Sir, wait 2 minutes.
I can tell.
Sir, Parth is saying like 2 minutes. His her profit.
Sir, done.
Sir, I can tell now.
Gupta ji is telling you.
Sir, I am telling.
Yes.
Same bakery, sir, I'm telling. Same bakery received 9,000 yesterday, but expense such as wage, food, and electricity came to 650. So the profit was 900 minus 650. So the answer will come 250. But if the income is less than expensive, so the answer is 250.
ये क्या इतना हाई फाई आंसर ये कहाँ से बोल दिया ये?
Sir,
Sir, he
I
always
can tell
tell
an
me
example.
Repeat it again. Sir means a same bakery received
नहीं शांत रहो. अरे गुप्ता जी
900
एक मिनट रुको. Parth Gupta, be quiet. अरे I am not asking you of some this much hi-fi level example. You are telling it from some book or some internet. I don't know from where you are giving this example. I am asking for a general daily life example, like Govind Bhardwaj gave an example. He told me that he went to a shop and he bought it for rupees.
I can tell.
And then
Sir,
he,
Gaurav Pillai.
अरे रुक जाओ कितना पहला जानी 2 मिनट शांत नहीं बैठोगे तो थोड़ी तो तमीज सीखो यार. Learn some manners. The teacher is speaking and you are disturbing in between again and again. You all
So I'm
must
telling.
learn this thing when the teacher is speaking and the student should remain quiet. Okay.
Sir, like, sir,
अरे
I
रुक जाओ
buy.
भैया रुक जाओ पहले बोलना. गुप्ता जी वही जो बात बोल रहा हूँ वही आपने फिर से शुरू कर दी. रुकिए अभी. So I was telling you all that Govind Bhardwaj gave an example. He bought a pencil for rupees 10 and then he sold the pencil to his friend for rupees 12. So he gained rupees 2. So there is a profit of rupees 2. So he gave an example from daily life. So this type of example I am
So
asking.
now I'm telling.
Now can you give Gupta ji an example from daily life?
Yes, sir.
Any example daily
Sir,
life?
so like I buy a woolen cloth of 500 and I sell it in market of 600.
Yes.
So sir, I have 100 rupees profit.
Very good, very good. This is how you can give an example. Very good. Now, Daksh Mehrotra will give us an example. Daksh Mehrotra. Gaurav Pailajani.
Yes, sir, I am telling. Sir, I bought a shirt for 1,000 and I sell in 1,150. So, sir, I got 150 rupees profit.
Very good. So you bought a shirt for 1,000 rupees and sold it for 1,150. That means you got a profit of 150 rupees. Very good, very good. Now Navdeep Gupta will give us an example.
Yes, sir. What I have to
Give us an example of loss. Navdeep Gupta, give us an example of loss.
Okay, sir. Sir, suppose I have buy a car of rupees 1,52,280.
अरे मर गए. And And then after
And
that,
then I have sell it to my friend of rupees
hmm,
1,04,520. So sir, there is our loss because we have buy it of 1,52,280,
hmm.
and we have given to our friend of rupees 1,04,520.
So that means the selling price is, sorry, cost price is more and the selling price is less. इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है?
Yes,
Loss हो रहा है.
sir.
Good example. Gupta ji,
Sir, so I can tell of loss.
wait. Just wait.
Sir, can I tell?
Adrika will give us an example. Very good. Adrika beta. Loss. Give us an
Sir, of
example of
loss
loss.
or
Loss.
profit.
Adrika will give us an example of loss.
I bought a bag of 200 rupees, and my friend bought the and my friend has taken the bag in 100 rupees, so I have a loss of 100 rupees.
Very good example. So Adrika bought a bag for 200 rupees. Then she sold it to her friend because her friend is very close to her. So she sold it for rupees 100 only. Now because of the friend was a very good friend. So what happened? He sold it for less amount and now she is suffering a loss of rupees 100. नुकसान हो गया.
Sir, can I tell the example?
So
Sir,
she-
can I tell the example of loss? Sir, can I tell? Sir, I am waiting for many minutes.
Yes,
Sir,
Vishesh
Vishesh.
Srivastava will give us an example. Srivastava ji, yes. Vishesh Srivastava.
So then can I?
I buy the ball of 20 rupees and I sell my friend at 25 rupees. That is my profit
Very
of
good.
25 rupees.
5 rupees profit. Very good. Very good.
Sir, can I
5
tell
Then
the
can I?
loss?
So now can I?
Shatakshi will give us an example of profit. Shatakshi.
So suppose I buy a chocolate of Kit Kat, so its real cost price is 10, and I sold it to my friend of 10.50 rupees. So I will have a 0.50 rupees profit.
Very good. You
Sir,
you
can I
sold
tell
it.
I have a very good example?
You sold it for.
Sir, can
Arey ruko beta. You sold it to your friend for 10 rupees 50 paisa. That means 10.50.
Sir, can
You
I
have
tell I have
a
a very good
profit of
example?
50 paise. 50 paise ka profit हो गया. Very good example.
Sir, please
Adrika,
tell.
Shatakshi, you gave an example using decimal numbers. Very good.
Sir, can I tell I have a very good example of loss?
Sir, someone whistle a city.
Whistle city.
Sir, please tell, can I?
कौन था ये? City one मारने वाला?
Sir, I think I should. Sir, only he do like this.
Who?
I also.
Who?
So Daksh.
Daksh.
Sir, I think Daksh.
He does things like these.
Yes, so
Whistling and
sometimes.
making
Yes,
sounds
sir.
and all these things.
Sometimes we do.
Achha.
Sir, can I tell the
Mehrotra ji,
example
can
of
you give
loss?
an example of profit? Mehrotra ji, Daksh Mehrotra.
Yes, sir.
Give us an example of profit.
Sir, as I buy and chocolate of 100 rupees and sold it. Oh, sorry, sold it in 200. I got profit of 100 rupees.
Very good. Very good example. Very expensive chocolate you bought for 100 rupees. And then you
Sir, can I tell
sold it
one
for
example of loss? Very
even
good
higher
example
price.
of point.
Govind Bhardwaj, you have already given. Let others also give
Sir, I can give an example of loss.
नहीं, अब आपको नहीं देना है. जो बच्चे कर चुके हैं, they will remain quiet. Ray Kakkar.
Kakkar ji.
Ray Kakkar बेटा बताइए. Give us an example of profit.
Sir, I have sold one chocolate of rupees. Sir, I have brought one chocolate of rupees 80 and I have gift to my friend that chocolate for rupees 120. So I have a profit of 40 rupees.
Very good example. लेकिन फ्रेंड को आपने लूट लिया. सारे बच्चे अपने फ्रेंड्स को ही लूट रहे हैं. कम पैसों में खरीद रहे हैं और ज्यादा पैसों में बेच रहे हैं. अपने फ्रेंड से कोई चीजें मत खरीदना. मैं बता रहा हूँ ये सब आप लोगों को महंगा बेचेंगे सामान. चलिए.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I never buy anything from my friends. I always tell to my father or mother to buy.
Okay. So now very good examples you all have given. Anyone else left would like to give some answer? Anyone left? No one. All have given? Okay. So write down some more points here. As you all can see in the cases where the selling price is more, you are having a profit. And the cases where the selling price is less, the cost price is more, where you are having loss. Okay. So note down these points, all of you. Profit. Profit. Profit is when, कब होता है profit हमको? When
So when we buy a thing and sell it in more rupees.
more amount. So selling price is more than cost price. क्या हो गया हमको? Profit हो गया. हाँ जी. And how do you calculate the profit? You calculate the profit by selling price minus cost price. And then loss. Loss भी note कर लेंगे. Loss कब होता है? Loss is when cost price is more than selling price. जब cost price आपका selling price से बड़ा हो जाएगा तब क्या होगा? Loss होगा. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. Note down in your copies.
So can I write like this that profit is when selling price is more than cost price, or I have to mark this
yes.
arrow?
Yes.
Sir, please, can I give a very good example of loss?
हाँ, yes.
Sir,
बताइए.
please.
बताइए.
Sir, sir, I buy a car of 10 crore and sir, I sell to my friend of 5 crore. So, sir, there is a loss of there is a loss of
5 crore rupees.
So no one
Yes,
will
sir.
be wanting to
क्या बात है, कितना बड़ा
solve that.
5 करोड़ का नुकसान करवा दिया आपने.
Yes, sir. Sir, 10 crore car and 5 crore in loss.
So no one will
कितना
do
बड़ा
this
दिल बच्चे का.
with
ऐसा
the
करना बेटा
car.
कि कार खरीदना ज्यादा महंगी नहीं. एक 10
Sir,
करोड़
but it's
की
not all real.
नहीं. सच में एक काम करना, तुम्हारा दिल बहुत बड़ा है तो तुम एक 10 लाख की कार खरीदना, 5 लाख में मैं तुमसे खरीद लूंगा. ठीक है.
No, sir.
अब तुम ऐसा भी बोल सकते हो
Sir, मैं आपको 100 रुपए दूंगा.
तुम तो ये
Sir,
भी बोल
I will,
सकते हो.
sir, I will 100 रुपए.
सर अब आप नाउ यू पार्ट गुप्ता यू कैन से दैट सर आप तो मेरे टीचर हैं, मैं तो आपको फ्री में दे दूंगा कार. उसमें क्या है ना. कह दो बेटा गुप्ता जी.
So he will never say this.
Okay. So have you all written all these points? Understood
They
the
never
concept?
give any.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
कहाँ चले कहाँ गए गुप्ता जी?
So he has turned his mic and camera off.
So have you all seen the shopkeepers? Do you think that shopkeepers may sell
Sir,
a
your
pro-
voice is not coming.
Arey, it is coming, beta. Your network, you are having some network problem.
Sir, my battery is.
Your battery is low.
But I always charge my phone.
Yes.
The break.
Okay, now listen, all of you. Do you think that
It's stupid.
a shopkeeper may
Okay.
sell a product for less amount as compared to the cost price? कभी ऐसा होता होगा कि शॉपकीपर ज्यादा का खरीद के कम रुपीस में बेच देता होगा? That means he suffers a loss. Do you think that it happens?
So what?
Do you think that shopkeepers buys something for more and then sells it for less amount? Do you think this happens in real?
No, sir.
नहीं होता ऐसा.
No, sir, I don't think.
Sometimes it happens. I am telling you how. Sometimes they sell it for free also. I can give you a very good example.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you all used
Sir, I
Jio?
love it.
अरे सुनो तो मेरी बात, गुप्ता जी 2 मिनट शांत जी. माइक ऑफ करिए.
Okay, sir ji.
You all must have seen the example of Jio 4G SIM. Jio 4G SIM you must have seen. In the starting, when the company
Yes, sir.
started, they started giving the SIMs to the customers for free, and then they gave free internet for 6 months. Free 4G internet for 6 months they gave to every customer for 6 months. Free internet. Do you know why they did this? They did this
So
to
because they was having the loss.
gain.
So
They were having a big loss. Then they gave this much free data to every customer because they wanted to gain more and more customers. And then when
yes.
everyone
So the
started using, then when everyone started using 4G SIM, they got used to it. They started liking 4G SIM. The internet is speed.
Then they
SIM.
had a
And then every
gain.
customer wanted to use 4G SIM only. They never wanted to use 3G SIM again.
Yes.
So what happened after 6 months, the company started charging from the customers, and now the customers are paying so much high prices. And now they are having a big gain. So this is a strategy, business strategy. What is this? This is a business strategy.